Top story, and it is that ongoing threat of severe weather following an overnight of tornadoes, rain, hail, and damaging winds. And Dylan's in for Al this morning following all of it.
Yeah, we saw tornadoes. We saw hail yesterday. We also had some flash flooding. Take a look at this video from Deer Head, Kansas. And if you look closely, you can see, obviously, the funnel cloud. But look a little to the right. You see that rainbow right there? Unbelievable video coming in from a more rural area from southern Kansas, right on the border. Oklahoma. So there were no damage reports because it was obviously in that rural area. Now in Missouri, we saw more hail than anything else. We had reports of hail up to 2 to 3 inches in diameter. Winds were gusting up near 60 to 70 miles per hour, toppling some trees and power lines, tearing the roofs off of some buildings. We also had a lot of reports of damage to vehicles because of the hail. Baseball and grapefruit-sized hail reported from these storms. Missouri is famous for getting these giant hailstorms. You can even see golf ball size hail. Imagine that just falling from the sky. Now, unfortunately, we are looking at the same type of setup across that same part of the country again today. We've got this really warm, somewhat humid air, 60s and 70s out ahead of this front. Back behind it, it's only in the 30s and 40s. So it's that clash that's producing some of those stronger storms. And we are going to see them fire up again today. This morning, we do have your run-of-the-mill thunderstorms, heavy downpours, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning right around St. Louis. Now, Chicago is in the 40s right now. It's going to be in the 70s later on this afternoon and will increase the threat of severe weather. Look at this, from Texas all the way up into parts of West Virginia. That's where we're going to see widespread thunderstorms, but it's in this area in orange where we could see more tornadoes. Hail again 2 to 3 inches in diameter, winds in excess of about 70 miles per hour. Tomorrow that threat is going to shift a little further to the east. We still have a threat of stronger storms from Texas all the way up into central New Jersey. However, we're going to lose the threat of tornadoes tomorrow, but today we certainly have to keep an eye out for those.
So a little piece of good news in the future.
It gets better, yes.
All right, Dylan, thank you very much.